Maybank and Microsoft are joining forces. A high-stakes alliance is taking shape. AI, cloud, and banking are about to intersect. Stay, what happens next could change the game. Welcome to Malaysia. Dynamic, diverse, forward-looking. Kuala Lumpur's skyline signals ambition and scale. The Petronas Twin Towers define a modern capital. Penang blends heritage streets with high-tech parks. Johor and Sabah connect trade routes across the seas. A young, digital-savvy population powers growth. 5G rollout is expanding smart services nationwide. Fintech hubs rise alongside Islamic finance leadership. Manufacturing clusters drive chips, electronics, renewables. Universities and startups fuel R&D and talent. Tourism spans rainforests, islands, and bold cuisine. Strategic links with the United States deepen tech and trade. Global players build cloud, AI, and data centers. Public digital initiatives aim for inclusive services. The next decade points to a greener, smarter economy. Malaysia is positioning as a regional digital hub. Maybank's story mirrors Malaysia's modern rise. Founded in the 1960s, it grew with the nation. Today it stands as the country's leading bank. Its footprint spans key ASEAN markets and beyond. It leads in retail, corporate, and Islamic banking. A trusted brand for households, SMEs, and investors. Resilience through cycles built long-term confidence. Digital channels now serve millions every day. The May app and online platforms raise the bar. Sustainability commitments guide lending and operations. Awards and ratings reflect consistent performance. But the next chapter demands even bolder moves. Scale, security, and speed will define the winners. That is why the right technology partner matters. This new alliance sets the stage for transformation. And it's exactly where our story begins right now. Breaking news in the world of finance and technology. Maybank announces a major partnership with Microsoft. It is one of Southeast Asia's largest banks. The deal spans 5 years of digital transformation. The value is nearly mere $1 billion. That equals about 240 million United States dollars. This is not just another corporate deal. It is a bold step to transform regional banking. Azure Cloud and AI Copilot are central to the plan. This alliance will reshape banking in the digital era. Let's dive into this groundbreaking collaboration. It may change everything you thought about banks. This isn't just any corporate announcement. It is a multi-layered, 5-year agreement. The goal is to reshape the entire banking experience. Millions of customers across Southeast Asia are included. At the heart is a mere $1 billion investment. That is approximately 240 million United States dollars. The funding accelerates digital transformation. It covers the bank's entire ecosystem. Core banking infrastructure will be modernized. Customer-facing digital platforms will be upgraded. Advanced AI-driven services will be introduced. A significant portion of workloads moves to Azure. Azure provides unmatched scalability and speed. Reliability for mission-critical services will increase. This is more than a technology upgrade. It is future-proofing core banking services. Real-time data will guide smarter decisions. AI insights will enhance daily operations. The deal outlines a phased approach. Transformation will roll out in multiple stages. Each phase delivers measurable improvements. Customer experience will improve significantly. Operational costs will be reduced. Time to market for products will be faster. Cybersecurity frameworks will be enhanced. Standards will meet global best practices. This builds a foundation of innovation and trust. Maybank will be a digital-first powerhouse. One key pillar is the Azure migration. Behind-the-scenes operations will be transformed. Decades-old infrastructure will be modernized. Cutting-edge cloud capabilities will replace legacy tools. Physical servers will no longer be a bottleneck. A global network of data centers will be used. Services will be delivered faster and safer. Efficiency across channels will improve. Azure enables real-time data processing. Millions of transactions can be handled per second. Customer behavior can be analyzed instantly. Fraud patterns can be detected early. Products can be tailored to individual needs. Legacy systems could not reach this level. AI tools in Azure speed up innovation. New services can be tested within days. Launch cycles become shorter and smarter. Mobile banking features can evolve quickly. Payment systems will be optimized. Loan approvals can be personalized by data. Security is another major benefit. Multi-layered cybersecurity will protect data. Encryption protocols will safeguard information. Compliance will meet international standards. Customers gain confidence in digital services. Azure is not just an upgrade. It is a strategic leap into cloud banking. Maybank is positioned to lead in ASEAN. Another highlight is Microsoft Copilot. It will impact 44,000 employees directly. Copilot is integrated into Microsoft 365. It becomes a daily companion for staff. Reports can be drafted in minutes. AI-generated summaries accelerate work. Real-time analysis informs better decisions. Project managers can organize massive workflows. Copilot suggests the best next actions. It flags potential risks automatically. Professional presentations are generated quickly. Emails and scheduling can be automated. Customer responses are drafted faster. Compliance documentation becomes easier. Employees focus on critical decisions. They build stronger customer relationships. Automation saves thousands of hours weekly. The bank responds faster to market change. Errors from manual processes are reduced. Copilot integrates across Microsoft apps, Teams, Excel, PowerPoint, and Outlook alike. A unified digital workplace is created. AI is embedded in every workflow step. Work is reshaped and innovation grows. Morale is boosted across departments. Maybank becomes agile and digitally advanced. Cybersecurity is the lifeline of banking. Microsoft's security infrastructure will be leveraged. Multi-layered defense mechanisms will be applied. AI-powered threat detection will run constantly. Real-time monitoring observes every system. Automated risk response will act immediately. Transactions and logins are shielded 24/7. Enterprise-grade frameworks protect sensitive data. The goal is to stay ahead of threats. AI flags suspicious activity in milliseconds. Potential risks are neutralized proactively. The approach shifts from reactive to proactive. Compliance and regulations will be strengthened. Standards like ISO 27001 will be aligned. TCIDSS and regional rules will be met. This builds customer confidence and safety. Millions can bank online with peace of mind. Cybercrime is escalating around the world. Investing in next-level security is critical. It makes Maybank safer and more resilient. Trust in the institution will grow. A joint center of excellence will be created. Maybank and Microsoft will co-develop solutions. This is a hub of innovation and collaboration. Talent growth will be a core mission. Cross-functional teams will work side by side. Bankers, data scientists, and engineers will cooperate. AI experts will join to build prototypes. Cloud-native platforms will be designed and tested. AI-powered customer insights will be explored. A sandbox environment will reduce risk. Ideas will be refined before wide rollout. Internal talent will be trained continuously. Cloud technologies will be taught in depth. Cybersecurity protocols will be part of training. AI development skills will be developed. Transformation becomes part of the bank's DNA. The center is a long-term innovation engine. Maybank can adapt quickly to market needs. It delivers continuous value to customers. This partnership is not just about technology. It reshapes the future of banking in ASEAN. Millions of customers and thousands of businesses are affected. Services become faster, safer, and more personal. Financial access becomes seamless and always available. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell.